Hello everyone and welcome back to Canyon Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni pisa-35 espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a lot of work. We had to disassemble half of the boiler. Right now I don't have the back cover of the machine, so we will see a little bit of the boiler inside. And it's a little bit tough to see. Yeah, that's tough to see. As this cover is very stuck in there, it has a little panel around here that is connected with the back case, and this thing needs to be in here, so it's a little bit hard to test it without the whole case. So this is as far as we can do, but we end up replacing the lower boiler of the machine. Unfortunately, the motion valve is stuck in there and we were not able to remove it. We also had to replace some of the O-rings and some of the gaskets, as well as the boiler gasket of the machine and the gaskets of the steam one, completely all of them. So what else we did? We also replaced the water pump, the one that we have here. These are some of the pieces that survived from the repair. This is the older gasket. It was in really bad condition. We disassembled everything, deep cleaned everything as well. And the water pump, which is from 1999, as you can see on the date. So this machine has been working for a long period. So starting with white espresso, we're gonna test it out. Then we're gonna use the steam, and hopefully I pick out the right settings of this machine. Otherwise, we're gonna see the coffee barely dripping. And thankfully, we're seeing a good shot of espresso coming out. Probably need to temper the bottle. As you can see, it's going a little fast, but working very good nonetheless. Just a little bit big cup, but you can see that crema coming out of the machine. Nice, looking great. Yeah, probably need to put a little bit more coffee than that, unfortunately. Alright, so the motion valve, the one that was deep, the one that was very stuck, is located beneath the shower screen. And now you can see the shower screen. It's great. So it's working out of the machine, working perfectly fine. And now we're gonna do steam. The previous motion valve that was stuck in the lower part of the boiler was letting some steam coming out of the machine whenever it was getting hot. So we're gonna let the steam all the way to the mats, and then we'll just test it out. As you can see, the coffee still has really good crema. Hasn't faded or anything, so that's real crema. Pretty good. Alright, perfect. Now the machine is at full pressure. Alright, still has a little bit of water inside. Perfect. I think I overfilled the boiler a bit too much. So right now it should be the side level. As you can see, now there's no leaks coming out from the boiler or from the steam one itself. And right now the machine is at full pressure. As you can see, has really good steam coming out of the machine. Powerful, excellent temperature. There's one machine there. And again, release. Nothing like that. And there you have it, La Pavoni pizza working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Canyon Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.